go. It's the Gemini Trader. Charts go up, charts go down.
Hello, people. Hope you're well. It's time to mark our charts for the coming week. Let's get started. So, as always, as if you've seen my previous analysis before, you must have an idea. I always start by marking my previous week's week. So this is our previous week's high, 33.68. If you saw my trade that I shared on Telegram, we made about 200 pips over here, 220 pips in total. So yeah, if you want to make some good quick money, join my Telegram. I'll leave the link below. And okay, and this is our previous 2 or 3 weeks before lower low. I'm gonna mark this week as my target price and probably set my limit orders as well. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to start now marking off my support zone, support and resistance. So let me just change the color. Let's stand right and left. Perfect. Okay, there you go. So this is my support at 300, 300 and 302 levels. My second support is 33.55 and 58, and my resistance, and my then third another resistance that I'm gonna mark. It'll be at this level 33.89, and of course we never forget our all-time highs. So I'm gonna leave it here. We are in a bullish trend right now, but we close the week below without breaking this high. So it means that we can retrace since we didn't close below, we didn't close above. So it clearly means that we can push down. We'll see. Okay, and under 4 hours, as you can see, this area has been respected, and on that side, we need to look for clean ranges, like as I always say. So first one is going to be this one, 33.81.82. My second zone is going to be this one. Above this it's really good and clean range. 33.96.97. My third zone is going to be around this level. Above this, we have a good range to trade with on 4 hours. Okay, now if you look on a bearish side, I'm going to move my support to 3310. I currently have a buy limit over here, and 32.89 is going to be our second support on 4 hours, and my third support is going to be, sorry about that, is going to be this one, because I love this candle. It just really grabbed the liquidity, made people panic, and then just rally. So this is just amazing. As we go down to 2 hour, we are consolidating on that side, so we pretty much have nothing over here. But what we're going to do is we are going to mark the zone, and as we go down to the lower time frame, we'll have more clean zones. So I'm marking all the supports with clean ranges and with enough tradable range. Any range however less than 20 pips, that will automatically become my no-trade zone. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Okay. All right. Now we go to 1 hour. We will just adjust our zones here. I'm going to move it down to 33.51 and 52. And this one, I'm going to move it up down to 30.23. And this one down to here. So this becomes my no-trade zone. And yeah, that looks pretty solid. All right. Yeah, I move this resistance to 33.66. Yeah, I want to move it here because market is going to open with a gap. So yeah, it's going on. All right, for 1 hour. Now we can talk about moving our resistance down to that level. So I'm going to move this resistance to 36, 59, and 60. And I'm going to move this here. This is a beautiful tradable range. I think we need to move this here. Because this is key range, we don't need to mark any more zones there. So 30, 30, 20, yeah, 50 pips, 28. Yeah, again, it's a good range. This becomes my no trade range, okay? And as we go down to the lower time frame, 30.08, um, my second resistance support is going to be 32.95.96, and I'm at a coffee shop right now. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we will talk about, let's discuss about our trading plan. So our trading plan is pretty simple and straightforward. So basically, if the market opens with a bullish gap, which it can open, but it will eventually retrace. But since the weekly candle closed below this zone, did not break above, and plus the daily candle also respected this high. So I don't think, especially on a Monday, I'll be comfortable taking buys. I think I will be more interested in taking sells. So even if the market opens with a bullish gap, I would want some resistance to be formed somewhere here or even here. Okay, let me just read all that. So if the market opens with a bullish gap, okay, I need some retracement and a resistance to be formed, and then that will be my target one, and this will be my target two. And if I miss the trade, I don't trade, I should say. I don't trade during 8 session. I normally don't trade during 8 session. So if that happens, then what we're gonna do, we will wait for to break this low below 33.50. Okay. I will want a resistance, and this is just freaking beautiful. This is just beautiful. About um, I'm just gonna aim for like 120 pips or 200 pips over here. But after 40, 50 pips, I will set my SL to break even. Because let's just measure the range. This range is about 170 pip range, 180 pip range. So it is just beautiful. And and I believe if the market goes down, I don't think I'll be trading this range. It's pretty nasty. If I miss that range as well, I would want, my next step is going to be, I would want candles to close below this level because we have a lot of rejections here and a clean candle. And then I want a resistance to be formed. And then I will target this level and this level all the way down to this level. But if I want to go for a buy, remember, fellas, the only way you go for a buy is when in a downtrend, resistance is broken. Got it? For example, let us see an example. Let me have an example here. Let us find. Yes, this resistance was created. The moment this candle broke the resistance, the price just rallied. So if I'm looking for a buy this week, I will be looking for a resistance to be broken. So this is it for now. This will be my buy. This will be my trading plan. Trade safe people, because until the account is closed, you will have to get the trade. Alright, so be careful. Trade safe. Always put a stop loss. And I'll see you next week. Take care.
Yeah, it's subscribe now, don't be late. Gemini Trader dropping knowledge straight.